Hi, I'm Patrick Gifford, Vice President here at INC Installs. Since 1995, we've been installing IT and AV solutions all across the United States and Canada.
Our most popular services are low-voltage infrastructure cabling for voice, data, and fiber optics. We help businesses get connected by wiring their offices, warehouses, factories, or schools. We also provide audio-video installations for projectors, LCD screens, smartboards, even digital signage. With thousands of on-call technicians, we have someone 50 miles from just about anywhere. Instead of our clients having to juggle the logistics of working with different techs in different cities, INC simplifies that process. We provide a single point of contact for installations at every location. Our dedication to our customers, strong communication, and proven process have awarded us the opportunity to work with numerous clients in many types of industries. Some of our clients include Edward Jones, Dell, Geico, and many others. For scalable installation services, that's INC.